In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on GoDaddy website. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually the main place where you can access your account settings and the products connected to your account. Click on your profile, then select My Products. This section shows everything you currently have available in GoDaddy, including your website tools. From My Products, find your website and select it. Make sure you're choosing the correct site if you have more than one. After that, click Edit Website to open the website builder. This will take you into the editing area where you can make visual changes to your landing page. Once the editor opens, focus on the first page you see. This is typically the main section visitors notice first, so it's important to make it look clean and professional. On this page, click on your cover media. The cover media is the large visual area at the top of the page, and it plays a big role in how your landing page feels when someone first arrives. After selecting it, look over to the right side of the screen. This is where the editing options usually appear. Here, you can click Cover Media and change the video if you want a different look or message. If a video doesn't fit your style, you can also switch it to a background image instead. This gives you flexibility, depending on whether you want your landing page to feel more dynamic or more simple and polished. You'll also see options to edit the theme. This is where you can adjust the overall visual style of the page. Feel free to customize your fonts and colors so the landing page matches your brand or the message you want to share. Try to keep your choices consistent because a simple and coordinated design usually looks more professional and is easier for visitors to trust. Take a moment to review the page after making your changes. Make sure the visuals, colors, and text style all work well together. The goal is to create a landing page that looks appealing right away and clearly represents what your website is about. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish. This will make your updated landing page live so visitors can see the changes. And that's how to create and customize a landing page on GoDaddy website.